All right, y'all, gonna throw a little lunch together. I'm gonna cook them loaded up hot dogs for them today. Took some ballpark franks, got them all sliced in half. Fixing to move this frying pan over here. Ooh. I don't like cooking on an electric stove, but here it goes. We'll try it anyway. We're gonna drop them in there like that. You can see them already sizzling. Oh, wee. All right, y'all, got them all flipped over. Check that out. Wee, boy, you know. Gotta add that love to them right there. All right, now we're gonna start getting them up out of there. Oh yeah, and that's a different plate, don't worry. All right, now we're gonna hit that frying pan. 1 can of that chili like that. Ooh, wee. Come over here, grab me a can of that rotel. Dump that rotel in there like that. And then everybody's favorite right here. We're gonna hit it with a little ketchup. That ketchup open. Pour a little ketchup in there like that. All right, now we got 2 cans of that chili in there, 1 can of the original rotel. Got some ketchup that we added in there. Oh, got it in that frying pan. Now we'll come up here. We'll hit it with that Southern Boys Love all over the top of it like that. Give it some heat. Oh, looking good, smelling good already. All right, now it's all starting to cook together right there. Now we're gonna come back, we're gonna hit it with them hot dogs. Drop them hot dogs in there like that and get them all mixed down in there. All right, now we got that all cooking down right there. Now we're gonna take some of that Kobe Jack cheese. We're gonna put that cheese all over the top, just like that. Oh, just coat it down with cheese. There you go. We go, got them loaded up hot dogs in there. Check that out right there. Look at all that cheese on them right there. Ooh wee. You get 2 halves per hot dog. Like that. Look at that. Look at that one there with all that cheese on it. Well, I'm telling y'all now, boy, these loaded up hot dogs are the way to go. Y'all got to try this recipe right here. Simple, easy, quick. All the kids love them, and the hunters up here in Grant City. Now, I'm going to get in here and give me some of that. Look at that, y'all. Look at it. Y'all, that's that chili with beans. You know, it ain't chili if it ain't got no beans in it. Check that out right there. Come over here. Give me some of them good old baked beans right there. That's some old canned baked beans right there. Check that out, y'all. Y'all, look at that. Look at that plate, boy. Woo-hoo! All right, give me some of that sweet Southern Heat barbecue potato chips right there. Man, I'm telling y'all right now, dig in that hot dog like that. Come up like that. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that cheese on it. Telling you right now, y'all, it just don't get no better than loaded up hot dogs.